Hello guys, on today's video we are going to do a mod that I should have done a long time ago since I purchased this M3. I'm talking about the stud conversion. This is going to make my life so much easier. Let me show you why. The reason I am upgrading to the stud conversion kit is as follows. So I run spacers, and these are, for example, the 12 millimeters that I'm running on the front right now. And every time I want to mount the wheel, I have to first align this spacer to this hole, so pretty much this way. And then next I mounted the wheel. Again, I have to align the wheel on this little hub right there, which is a little painful. Then I have to take this lug nut and then insert, and that's how I simply mount it. And sometimes you have to also play, as you can see, to align everything the right way. So the stud conversion kit, pretty much what it does is that it replaces the lug nut with this stud. So when you install it, you pretty much put a thread locker here, install everything here like this, torque it to spec, and then after that the job is done. At the end you should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and once you mount the wheel it will be much faster. Let me go ahead and show you the quick installation on this side of the front. The installation is pretty simple. You take the blue or the red thread locker. I'm using the one from Loctite. The blue one is pretty much the medium paste, meaning that once I mount this, I can in the future decide to remove it. The red is the one that has much strength. If you use it, pretty much your stud conversion is going to be stuck in here. So you pretty much take the Loctite, put a little bit here. So that might be too much here. Install it. As simple as that. You turn all the way until it's stuck. You repeat the same process for the next 5. So let me go ahead and fast forward it for you.
Rage on that beat, going crazy.
After you finish installing, you have to torque each one of them to 25 pound-foot of torque. And the way you do is you pretty much hold the rotor with a screwdriver this way, and you use your torque wrench to pretty much with a 5 millimeter Allen key and pretty much torque it to spec. That's what I'm going to do now. To mount a spacer will be pretty simple. You have your spacer, you pretty much align it just to the holes like that, and bam, that's it. Spacer is installed.
Rage on that beat, going crazy.
2 days later, I am finishing now the video for the stud conversion. What happened that day is it got darker. I had to watch my daughter, so I could not film again. I went ahead and finished the job that day, and now I'm going to show you the end result. Let me take you now so you can see the finished product. As you can see, the studs are sticking out, enhancing the look of the BBS wheels. It is now so easy to mount the tires because all I have to do is to align to the stud, and bam, they are right there. If you check in here, you can see that I have my 12 millimeter spacers there. If I run to the back, you will see same type of look, very nice. And on the back here now, I am running 10 millimeter spacers, and I love the look. As you can see here, I can see a Mitzi tire. And yeah, I don't know why I waited to do this mod. This is definitely nice. Now I can easily swap between winter, track, and summer wheels without any stress. On this note, thank you for watching, and make sure you subscribe and follow me on Instagram. Like this video, and yeah, this is my baby. Thank you for watching, guys. Stay safe.